In our previous video, I shared with you important tips on calorie deficit, which is the fundamental of weight management. Today, we are diving into practical strategies on balanced nutrition and other important lifestyle factors to achieve optimal health and successful weight management. Before we explore other strategies to overcome weight loss resistance, let's emphasize the importance of balanced nutrition. Filling our bodies with the right nutrients is essential for optimal health and weight management. A balanced diet includes a variety of whole foods from all food groups, providing the necessary vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. A common misconception is that skipping meals will lead to weight loss. However, this approach can actually hinder your progress. When we skip meals, our metabolism slows down and we are more likely to overeat later. Instead, aiming for regular balanced meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism filled with and your energy level stable. Eliminating entire food groups, such as carbohydrates or fats, is another common myth that can backfire. Our bodies need a balance of all macronutrients for optimal function. Restricting or eliminating a food group can lead to nutrient deficiencies and an imbalanced diet. Instead, focus on portion control and choosing high quality whole foods from each food group. What we need to do is really to prioritize whole unprocessed foods. Choose foods rich in nutrients and minimize highly processed options that are often high in added sugars and unhealthy fat. We should really pay attention to portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Balancing your energy intake with your energy expenditure is key. Engage in a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and activities you enjoy to support overall health and weight management. Also, we need to manage stress levels. Chronic stress can contribute to weight loss resistance. Incorporate stress reducing practices like meditation, deep breathing, or engaging in hobbies you love will really help you to minimize your stress. Another factor most people may ignore. You need to get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support hormone balance and overall well being. Overcoming weight loss resistance requires a holistic approach, and focusing solely on calorie counting is not always enough. By embracing balanced nutrition, dispelling common myths, and adopting alternative strategies, you can break through those barriers and achieve your weight management goals. Remember, it is about nourishing your body, not depriving it. Keep pushing forward, and success will come.